the seasons are officially changing, okay? Summer is ending very quickly and fall is rolling right on in. So that means that since the seasons are changing, our skincare routines need to change too. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys my #1 hydrating mask that works for all skin types. Whether you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin like mine tends to be sometimes, this mask is going to be perfect for you. Hey guys, welcome back to TPL TV. My name is Princess. I am a luxury beauty influencer and you are now in the Princess lifestyle. As I said earlier in this video, we are going to be getting into my favorite hydrating mask. This is good for all skin types and it is the best mask that I've used for having dry skin or having an overproduction of oil on my skin or having skin that seems to be doing well but looks kind of dull. This is the mask for you. Now, I don't want any of my oily skin babes to get turned off because you know the stigma around oily skin is that if your skin is oily, it's not dry. When in fact, it's kind of... So I'm not an esthetician, so I don't know how to verbalize it like an esthetician or a dermatologist would say it. But what I've learned from my esthetician and from my dermatologist is that oily skin is actually a sign of dryness of some sort. Your skin begins to produce oil to moisturize your skin and, you know, lubricate it or whatever. And somehow, some way, your skin begins to produce too much. So initially, as your skin is producing oil, it is doing it for good reason, for, you know, hydration and all of that. And that's when you have normal skin. The problem arises when the oil just keeps on coming. You know, it doesn't stop. It doesn't take a break. So that's when you have oily skin. But one of the many cures to having an overproduction of oil is hydrating your skin. So hydrating from within, which is something that I am going to be talking about on my new channel, 10 Toes in Luxury. If you're not subscribed already, please click the link in the description bar for my second channel so that you don't miss out on the video. So you can hydrate from within, but you also need to hydrate from outside. So without further ado, the mask that I am talking about is, drumroll please, the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This mask is one of the best masks you can use to hydrate your skin. It is an overnight mask. It's a mask that you put on after your full skincare routine has been completed, and it is a mask that you sleep with. Laneige is by far one of my favorite skincare brands. It is one of those brands that is kind of quietly kept. It's not like a viral brand as far as I can tell, but it's a brand that I've been using for at least a year now and I have had no complaints whatsoever. They don't put like an excess amount of perfumes or parabens. They don't have any parabens at all. This is one of the more natural products. It has all of the necessary checklist items that I look for in skincare. As you guys have seen in my previous skincare videos, my skin does not like anything unnecessary. You know, like people put fragrance in skincare that is unnecessary, especially if it's an artificial fragrance. You don't need fragrance. Now, if you add fragrance with like lavender oil or mint oil or something like that, that is a natural fragrance and that is completely fine. My skin does not negatively react to that. It's when you put artificial things, artificial products, artificial substances, and man-made chemicals into the skincare that my skin is like, you tried it. You tried it. Laneige is a perfect skincare line for all skin types. They have different systems for each skin type, so this is definitely a brand you want to look into. But you guys are here to know the tea about this hydrating face mask. I am giving it to you right now. So this face mask retails for only $25. Yes, just $25. You guys know I'm a luxury babe and I love my expensive things. This is a $25 face mask and you get 2.3 ounces, which is 70 milliliters. And I have had this face mask for probably about, I'd say about 4 to 6 months. I've had this face mask and look at how much is used. As you guys can see, I barely used any of it. There's barely a dent in this jar. So this overnight face mask from Laneige is packed with all of the super duper hydrating ingredients that you need. It gets rid of dullness, it gets rid of texture, dry patches, which are just so annoying, especially when you want to wear a full face of makeup, like the foundation gets caught up on the dry patch. It is the worst. That'll make you want to throw all your makeup away, okay? So it also smooths fine lines. Anti-aging is big for me because my mother taught me to start my anti-aging process from birth, okay? So if you want to stay looking youthful, you want to stay with supple, hydrated, plump, healthy skin, even into your 50s, your 60s, your 70s, your 80s, you have to use things that smooth fine lines and smooth wrinkles and massage and hydrate your skin. That's why I'm bringing you guys this mask, and that's why you need to subscribe for all of the other products I'm going to be recommending to you guys in these quick type of videos. So the colder it gets, the drier the air is going to get, and the more stressed your skin can become. We are officially in what my esthetician calls peeling season, and that is when the dryness, the dead skin from the summer, being in the sun and everything is getting ready to shed. That is when you need to be hydrated the most, because your skin, in my opinion, is going to become more fragile. So this product has what is called, hold on, it has what's called a hydroionized mineral water. And this, whatever this mineral water is, literally deposits a buku amount of hydration into your skin. This is no game, and it does it overnight. It also comes with what they call, hold on, they call it a calming sleep scent. It has the scents orange flower, rose, sandalwood, apricot, evening primrose, and all of these products relax your senses. They relax your mind. Even in the directions for application, I'm loosely wording this, but it says something to the effect of you get a generous amount and you put it on your nose and you put it on your cheeks and you put it on your other cheek and you just let that sit for a minute and you inhale and you exhale. So not only is this product going to work to your advantage to bring health to your skin, but this product also calms the senses and readies you for sleep. It readies you for bed. And you guys, if you follow me on Instagram and you faithfully watch my IG stories, then you know that I am very serious about my nighttime scents. I do not play with my nighttime scents. I am the type of person that puts luxury into every single thing that I do, and I go as far as to have a specific nighttime scent. If you don't know what I'm talking about, follow me on Instagram, but I also will be going over and explaining what a nighttime scent is, why it's important, and why you need it over on my second channel called 10 Toes in Luxury. So go to the description bar and subscribe. So overall, this Laneige Sleeping Mask is an amazing product. It is one of those products that I feel like everyone needs, even if you don't use it every day, because obviously I don't use this every day. I don't always need a hydrating mask, but now that the seasons are changing, this is the time for us to situate ourselves into hydration. So if you have not tried this Laneige Sleep Mask, I suggest you do ASAP. All right, you guys, so this was my quick skincare video. Do you guys like these short skincare type videos where I just present a product, I present the facts, and I present why you need it or why you should stay away from it? If so, please let me know in the comments, and let me know by liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and just let me know what you think. That's it for me. Make sure your life is very moisturized, very lubricated, okay? And make sure you're minding your business and drinking your waters and exfoliating. Get that dead skin up off you, okay? Get that energy up off you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye.